fit my cat. Ooh, bumper.
Let's go.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna take one more ride down and up, just but I won't get out though. This is really neat. You sure you don't want to film
I'm
this?
sure.
Dang, all right.
I'll find my own time because it's tight.
Yeah, it's tight. Okay, I'll be right back up. This is really cool. Old Haughton. There's no floor indicator, so we just gotta look at the buttons. This is cool. And as you can see there, they're actually modernizing the elevators. Whoa, here's your bumper. And then let's go up to L, the old Haughton type E buttons. This thing's really neat. As you can see, it's a Haughton. That's really neat. There's your call button. And maybe it'll just sit open. There it goes. That's it.